Let's look at how to install WordPress on a web hosting server based on cPanel. If you're logged in on your cPanel, you should be able to see something like this. Well, mine's red, yours should be blue. Scroll down, and you should have a section like this. Mine's called Top Applications. Yours is probably called Spectaculars. Click on WordPress. Go down and click on Install Now. Here you can choose the protocol that you want to use. HTTP is fine unless you have an SSL certificate. Next, choose your domain name. My domain name is codora.net. You can choose others if you have. And the directory that you want to install your WordPress in. Now, if you choose to have a directory, say for example WP, to access your WordPress website will be like codora.net/WP. For this case, I'm going to leave it blank because I want my WordPress to be right under codora.net. Then I'll give this site a name. Probably I'll call it WordPress demo site. And any description that I want to say WordPress rocks. And I could enable this if I want to have multiple WordPress websites. Otherwise, leave this as it is. Admin username, people always recommend you to not use this admin username because it's easily hackable, because it's very obvious. Perhaps you want to choose your own username. So in my case, I will just choose this. The password, I can always auto-generate one by clicking on this key here. If I click on it, a new password is automatically generated for me. Next, I'll enter my email address. And the language. You can select the language that you want. And you could select if you want to have limited login attempts in case someone's trying to attack your website using brute force. Otherwise, don't check it. You could check this one as well, but I'm just going to leave it as default. Then let's check out advanced option here. Database name, I will just call it WP. Database prefix, I'll call it WP underscore. Now you can always choose to auto upgrade your WordPress, which means that if there's a new version of WordPress released, your WordPress website will be automatically upgraded to that new version. Now, I will always discourage you to check here because I want you to have control over your WordPress website, because sometimes when it's auto upgraded, you may have some problems with your current installation. So let's not check any of this. That includes the plugins and the themes. And the backup location, I will just choose default. And I could click install, or before that, I will just say that I want the installation details to be sent to my email address. And click install. So this is where that you need to wait. Right, so that's it. Installation is complete and my WordPress website is available here and the admin panel is here. So this is how my WordPress website looks like in its default theme, and this is the admin panel. So that's all to it.